Welcome to Techkingstoday. What is the best drone on the market? Even if you have no good reason to justify buying one, you have to admit that drones are cool. Some are glorified teach toys, but most models we highlight here are fit for use in imaging and cinematic applications, small and large. If you think you can use a flying camera in your next project, there is some good news. The Tech has come a long way in a very short time. There are models on the market now that put earlier copters to shame in terms of video quality and stabilization. This video is not sponsored by any of them. Most of these drones I own myself, so it's just my thoughts and opinions. If you want to see more detailed review of any of them, please let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell. New videos are coming soon. Number 10. Levetop T1. Levetop T1 drone is an ultra-portable intelligent drone with an advanced GPS system. The built-in 1080p stabilization camera enables you to take aerial footage with high quality, and it can follow and track you with its precise vision positioning system. It boasts a 20-minute flight time and a top speed of 33 miles per hour. The Levetop T1 owns distinct shape, different from another common drone that turns the sky into your creative canvas easily and without worry. This is powerful camera and its price is $168. Number 9. Holystone 270 GPS drone. The Holystone 270 is the foldable drone that comes with an HD camera that is capable of recording in 2.7K. It's a bulky drone that can be flown in the windy conditions and comes with a GPS for better flight and hovering capability. The drone comes with a few intelligent flight modes and also comes with the automatic return to home feature. It has a flight time of around 80 minutes and is suitable for most people. Apart from my dislike over its bulky body, this is pretty good drone and it flies well, comes with some good really features and has a decent flying time. Its large body is actually positive because it allows you to fly in windy conditions, not strong winds though. Overall, I am very impressed with this drone. Number 8. Micro Drone 4.0. It comes at very affordable price range and capable of recording in Full HD with the 110-degree field of view. You can control the gimbal of the drone with the mobile app and bring your creativity into reality. To give you perspective about how small the drone is, it's 4.7 inches wide and 1.5 inches tall. It weighs around 150 grams. The quad-core is smaller than a lot of smartphones that we use nowadays, right? Micro Drone 4.0 is powerful by Qualcomm-based chipset and also has Neuralink AI engine which allows you to choose between different flights and shooting modes. When it comes to drone speed, it can fly up to 30 miles per hour, that is pretty impressive. The quadcopter can fly up to 200 meters range for 30 minutes, that is very decent range, keeping the price into consideration. Extreme Flyers is the first one to give us inside information about this quadcopter. Apart from having advanced features, it also has good aesthetic look. There are very few drones in this price range which has this much stable video capability. Here with this device you won't have any complaint about video capability. It has 1200 battery which gives it longer flight duration and they can easily be swapped. Its propellers can be folded which makes it super compact and you can easily carry it inside your bag while traveling. At first glance the drone might look small and lower quality, but it's packed with a lot of features. The drone has Qualcomm-based chipset and Neuralink AI engine which makes it high-end drone. I would say it's one of the best drones under $200. Number 7. Parrot Bebop 2. Fruit's camera has a new design for its lens covering, making it dust-proof. A wider aperture is otherwise unchanged, featuring a 14 megapixel sensor with a wide-angle lens that covers a 180-degree field of view. That is for me what's most disappointing about the Bebop 2. For capturing cool video from the sky, for sharing online or viewing at small size on the phone or tablet, you will probably be pretty happy with what you get from the Bebop 2, especially if you are flying in full daylight. Compared to the DJI Phantom 3 standard, Fruit misses the mark. Basically, while the video quality is not fantastic, it's fine for casual use, which at the end of the day is what the quadcopter is for. The Parrot Bebop 2 definitely improves on the original and remains a good choice for its portability and safer design, but stiffer competition and merely good image quality limit its overall appeal, but still is very good drone. Number 6. Hubsan Zino 2. Gone are the days when drones were all massive great machines with large unbending flames surrounding delicate and fragile camera mechanisms. Now you are looking into getting a drone, you will know that it's all about smaller form factors. The Zino 2 shows off why this trend is so great. It is nice and compact, easily tiny enough to fit into the backpack and day bag. It means you no longer have to plan the entire trip around bringing your drone. Just chuck it into your luggage and take it out when you see something you want to film. Once you get somewhere that you want to film, the Zino 2 comes into its own. Each charge of quadcopter's battery will give over half an hour of flying time, and because its batteries are detachable, you could choose to have multi-power ready for quick swaps. When it's up in the air, you got a signal range of huge 6 kilometers, meaning that you can get footage over the massive area. Of course, one of the most important variables for any drone is the quality of its actual footage. The Zino 2 does really well on this front too. It is got a 2.3-inch Sony sensor and it's hard, which helps it to shoot 4K video and 30 or 60 FPS with ease. Number 5. Parrot Anafi. Parrot, a company most known for drones tailored for kids or beginner pilots, on the other hand, is still around. This new $700 anafi is the company's direct answer to DJI's recent Mavic Air, and its compact, capable drone that promises to capture stunning aerial footage in 4K. It also introduces the few features you can find in other drones today. Good things that I like about this drone is unique lens and camera features not found elsewhere, adequate battery life and solid connectivity. But bad things, what I don't like about this drone is poor design, difficult to fly, and autonomous features require extra purchase. It don't work really well, but still it's very good drone. Number 4. Yuneec Mantis G. Yuneec Mantis G is everything we had hoped for an original Mantis Q. We can see the difference between these drones save for the new stabilization, camera gimbal, superb flight time, easy controls, voice activated features, a compact design that falls small for the transport, and the 4K camera all sound good to us. Yuneec understand they have stiff competition in this portion of the drone market. They built mostly for the commercial space, but fun drones like Mantis and larger Typhon have the tough battle. The Mantis G is the leap forward for the company. It's hard to recommend the Mantis Q to users that care about shooting video, but now we can put the DJI's Mavic 2 drones and this new Mantis G in the same sentence. Based on price and camera sensor size, the Yuneec Mantis G best competes with the DJI's Mavic Air, which is to say it's a viable option for the hobby pilots looking for the reliable drones to fly. Number 3. Skydio 2. How many people would buy flying cameras, aka drones, if they did not have to fear every twig on every tree in the world? How much more could you do with a drone that doesn't crash into some obstacles? They are not just rhetorical questions, it's Skydio 2 drone. Where one wrong move will send most drones to their doom. Skydio's self-flying system uses AI to duck under canopies and swoop around branches with swiftness all by itself. The results have to be seen to be believed. People who have never flown a drone in their lives can fly this drone. My 3-year-old flew this drone. Better yet, it can fly itself, automatically filming your hikes, bike rides on the kinds of stunts you normally capture with GoPro, but from the sky instead. Good things about this drone is it's practically crash proof, actually follows you around, gets footage no other drone can, competitive image quality for its price. Bad things is none of Skydio's free controllers are great, not smart enough to entirely stay out of danger. You can still crash it by landing poorly. Glitches can make for slow start of time. With the release of Skydio 2, the company has upped the automatic flight game. Thanks to 6 cameras used along with 4 opticals, avoiding purposes along with a great visual tracking. This drone can automatically follow a subject better than any other. You can also buy a beacon accessory in order to make the subject tracking more convenient and reliable, and can purchase a controller in order to get some more classic and cinematic drone shots. In general, it's great drone that you will basically enjoy. And finally, number 1, Yuneec Typhon H+. The Yuneec Typhon H+ is advanced professional 4K camera drone for aerial photography and videography produced by Yuneec. This manufacturer is a popular drone company based in China. This is the follow-up to the Yuneec Typhon H. The Typhon H Plus comes with all-in-one controller, the ST60 ground station controller, which is Android-based. Thanks to its large screen, the controller allows users to easily fly the drone and capture quality videos and photos. Furthermore, the controller can be paired with Wizard, a compact flight controller. A high-quality photos and videos, the Typhon H Plus features a 20-megapixel camera and is able to record videos in 4K resolution at 60 FPS. This foldable camera drone also has 3-axis gimbal for precise stabilization. ST16 ground station controller. This allows users to easily control the drone and capture videos and photos. It also allows for team mode to double up controllers on the drone. Retractable landing gear enables the drone to capture a full 360 view. Variety of flying modes, point of interest, orbit, cure cable cam, journey, follow, watch me and dynamic return home and many more features you will enjoy with this drone. Number 2, Autel Evo 2 with 8K video recording, 48 megapixel camera. Look, flight time and all-around collision sensors. The Autel Evo 2 looks to have stolen DJI's crown. The Autel Evo 2 firmly sets its sights on the aging DJI's Mavic 2 line and in many respects surpasses it. Not least in the resolution and collision sensors. Its looks are not for everyone, but there is no arguing with the video quality. You can fly without your phone, which is massively convenient, but there are some esoteric aspects of the design and software. It's very good for 4K video, for 8K video, good flight modes, phone-free operations. It's not so good against software could be more polite. It has no panorama mode, mix of USB ports and no cable supplied. The Evo 2 Airflame definitely feels the part, and while I can't say I'm completely smitten by the color or styling, there is nothing to complain about. While the packing would be at home in the Apple Store, the aircraft feels much closer to the professional than consumer, and the slightly humpback design makes sense when you realize it's built around a giant 7000 battery. It practically that battery gave me about 33 minutes useful flight rather than the 40, but again, I'm not complaining. The Evo 2 is undoubtedly the brilliant aircraft by pairing it's with the half-inch sensor that helps the DJI Mavic Air 2 beat its older brothers. Doesn't hurt, but the digital zoom is no substitute for the optical one, known as polish and the equivalents in most modern phones. If you don't need panoramas and can keep your fingers from the digital zoom option, this is class-leading aircraft and very good camera. Assured in the air, confidence inspiring in terms of safety equipment, and with mapping tools built in, this would be the first choice for many. The 6K Pro version with 10-bit video and 1-inch sensor offers more via quality rather than pixel count is the key factor. That's a decision for your wallet and objectives, but for now, panoramas aside, the Evo 2 succeeded in making the Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic Air Zoom look definitely out of the date. Thanks for watching. What drone do you have? Let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell to see every new updates. More interesting content is coming soon.